Good morning, sir.
Very
Myself, Mridula,
ah,
and I am undertaking computer science engineering from Ramaiah University, sir.
okay.
So, we are
We
very grateful for this opportunity to interact with you, sir.
okay. Thank you very much.
It is a
Even I
pleasure.
too.
It is a pleasure to speak with you, sir.
Ah,
We are excited to learn about your journey and
mm,
experiences.
mm.
Sir, with your permission, we would like to begin this interview.
Definitely, why not? Ah,
So, could you please introduce yourself and say a little bit about your company?
okay. So this is a home tooling system. So we have started this organization in 2013, and we are making some precise tools and supplying across India, all over India, OEMs, original equipment manufacturers. Yeah, this is about our company's brief introduction. Anything else?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Ah,
Then why did you choose tool manufacturing over the other industries? Like, how do you get to know the tool industries? You have to work in tool industries.
Before starting this organization, I have been worked around 25 30 years. Okay. I came across a lot of problems in the cutting tool area. When I am working, we found a lot of difficulties to process and a lot of delays in the companies, those who are manufacturing, and also we are waiting for some imported tools. So what I thought, why don't you contribute to the industry for the better process? So in that angle, I chosen this tool industries.
Then what are the problems you are faced then when you were started the industry or now?
Hmm.
Whenever what are the problems you are facing now or before?
Problems.
Yeah, problems.
No problems. We are finding very difficulty to identify the clients in the beginning because it is a new company when we started. So finding difficulty to identify the customers and customers also not easily get the tools from us. We have to convince them and we have to give our tools on FOC basis, take a trials. If he is satisfied about our product quality, then the customer slowly approached us to interact. These are all the challenges.
Good morning, sir. My
Morning,
name is
morning.
Amrita.
Yeah.
So, sir, like, what are the biggest challenges you faced, like, in the initial stages when you were starting this company? What are the challenges you faced?
Challenges, definitely it is a monitor. Yeah, we cash flow and skill labors and vendor development. All these, no, we have faced a lot of difficulties in the initial stages.
So, in the early stages, sir, finding clients was more difficult, or like getting the developing the right product was more difficult? Like, which was more difficult?
So both I can say I can write equally
Okay.
because if you develop infrastructure by investing so much of money, if you don't get the customers, it's a waste of money. If you have a customer, so you don't have infrastructure, that is also not good. You can rate it as a 50-50. Both are very challenging.
So, sir, like, what was the one mistake which you made and you learned an important lesson from that, so that the future generation will not make that mistake or something? Any mistake?
No, it is not like that. We have undergone a lot of failures also, success also. In the beginning, in the earlier stage, we have took one project. But that project, what project we have taken, that has been regulated by the MNCs. So we have taken that challenges. Even though we put our lot of effort, we could not able to success. We have taken the money and we have returned back. So in such cases, we have learned a lot. Before taking the project, we need to do FMEA, failure mode analysis, all these things. And also, we have made partially success. That has been appreciated by the customers. Okay, these kind of problems, always it is coming and going. In the industry, we need to face all challenges.
Good morning, sir.
Good
I'm
evening.
Anaga.
Ah.
So, what was the turning point when you felt that your business would succeed, or you are in the right path choosing this field?
No, turning point, what I can tell, when our customer, like OEMs, people like Tata Group and Mahindra Group, they are suggesting their vendors to approach AM toolings. No? That is the turning point. That itself says we have already established the market. The customers are recognizing us. That and we have developed import substitute product that has been give good result to the customer end. So that's why the customers are recommending our tools. So that is the benchmark, I can say.
How do you handle the different clients? Like some clients are very particular about the customized tools. They want a high precision and accuracy. So, how do you handle them?
I didn't understand.
Some clients are very particular about the tools and all, and they want, like, they are very uh, they are very hard to convince. So how do you handle those customers?
So we have a strong no, application oriented. Ours is customized tools. We need to give after sales service. So once when we got the inquiries, we do complete analysis, feasibility test. We will convince customers how we are going to. We will present with our 3D models and no, 2D drawings. Then we will convince the customer. We will give a demo how this tool will going to function and what is the impact on the parameters, those things. So with that, I think most 90% we will convince the customers and we will give best of the best combination. So for their cycle time reduction or better productivity. And after making the tool, we will go there and we will prove the tools. That is our strength. So that will give good result to the customer.
So what is more challenging according to you, sir? Whether designing the tool or manufacturing with a very high accuracy and precision?
So I can rate design is the first choice because when we received the inquiries, we the design team we sit together and we will do FMA analysis and we will come to the concept. What kind of concept if we give that product will come out well. So that is the main no, thinking, and we visualize and then we'll make the drawing and hand it over to production. And production also is a very challenging. So if we design one tool, it will contain more than 20-30 operations. So I can write design is the number one, number two is the plan.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Aishwarya.
Hmm.
How do you build long-term trust with clients in industries like automotive and tooling system?
So this is a very difficult question. So we have to build a rapport with the customer. If any problems inside the company, in the production line, he has to remember us. Oh, M Toolings is there. I have to call. That kind of rapport, if you build, your organization will go into success. That means lot of back work has to be done. So immediately when a customer is in problem, immediately we need to give the solution. We have to send our application engineer. We have to identify what is the problem he is facing. So we have to give immediate solution. If we do that, I think customer will stay longer.
Okay, sir. Have clients' demand changed over the years, sir?
So change is always no, it is a continuous process. I can say it is a continuous improvement process. Customer always demand best product. Okay, with the latest advanced combination. So it is a compulsory. Its demand is compulsory.
What do major clients expect from tooling suppliers? Cost, quality, or deliveries?
So without quality, there is no business. Everywhere quality is the topmost priority. If your quality is okay, then will come to cost. I can say quality, cost, and delivery. All the three are very important. But without quality, no existence.
Good morning, sir. I'm BHUVANA, and my question is that how do you stay competitive against the larger or international companies?
So generally, larger organization having a different hierarchy. Okay, when the inquiry comes, to give concept position, concept drawing, prepare a concept to the customer. To understand the concept to the customer, it will take minimum 1 week. But in our case, it is a 24 hours to 48 hours. So that means we are compressing the lead time, and we are producing our component on par with the MNCs. So that way we are no, convincing customers to.
So, sir, my next question is that what strategies help you to grow from small setup to serving multiple companies?
So the strategy is application after sales service. We have, for example, for our company, when we completed our turnover around 20-25 lakhs, we opened one office in Pune, and we have opened one office in Delhi. There we kept 2 application engineers, and we maintain the spares and tools stocks for the customers, repeat orders. So that has given uh, impression to the customers to support us more.
So my next question is that how important is customization compared to mass production in your business?
Customized tools is a value addition. Mass production is smaller amount, bigger volume. It is a value addition is more in customized tools.
Hi sir, I am Bhumika, and now my question is, how do you manage and motivate your team to collaborate with the clients so efficiently?
Tell me, pardon?
How do you manage and motivate your team to collaborate with the clients so efficiently? How do you make them do all the work and all
No, it
efficiently?
is no. We are not calling workers like that. We are calling them as a process. We made them as a process owners. They are feeling their whatever they work they are doing. They are proud about their work because they are the process owners, and we have a very team work. We will take all our employees along with us. Okay. We have a very good motivation. We are conducting meetings. We are meeting daily basis, daily work management in the meeting, and we are meeting weekly also. We are appreciating for good work, and we are training for bad work. We are not giving any punishment. Huh? Okay, that is how we are moving.
Next question is how do you handle operational risks like machine failure or any delay in the orders, something which is went wrong? How do you handle all
No,
that?
we have a contingency plan for all.
You
And
keep a
we
backup.
are for machine failures and all, we have a contingency as well as we have a preventive maintenance schedules, and no, orders delay and all, we are monitoring on daily review meetings, and wherever problem we are facing as a contingency we are buying, and we are meeting the customer schedule. We are not delaying much.
Sir, since we are studying this entrepreneurship course, what advice would you have for us for if we further take a decision to build a startup and all?
I think you acquire some knowledge first. That is very important. You have to learn minimum 3 to 4 years. You have to get the work experience, and then based on your skill set, if you do business, that will be better as per my knowledge. I can say. Huh?
Thank you so much, sir, for
Okay.
sharing this wonderful insights and guiding us through all this. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Right.